I am your Sitepad buddy, and in this video I will show you the first step of building a page for your website with Sitepad. Click on Get Started. Here, we will see all the predefined themes. Choose theme as per your need. Let's add one together. Click on Select. Provide your site details. These details will be used to pre-fill the information for your website. All fields are optional and can be edited later. Enter your site title. Add a description to it. Here, enter your email address, phone number, and address. All this information will be used on your contact page. You can also add all your social media URL in this fields. After doing all this, click on Proceed with Install button to install your theme. Congratulations, your setup is now completed, and you are redirected to your home page editor. Here, you can customize your theme as per your convenience. Okay, so what are we looking at here? On the right side is the editing screen of your site, where you add and edit elements that form the layout of the page. On the left side is the Sitepad panel. Here is our creative tools called widgets. Use widgets to add elements to your page like headings, paragraphs, quotes, lists, etc. Let's take a closer look at the anatomy of the page. Each page in Sitepad is made up of sections. This entire area is a section. Notice the blue border around each section on hover. Inside sections are columns. Identify them by this blue dotted lines, and column icon handle. And inside the column are widgets. Here is a text widget, inside a column. Inside a section, use the handle to edit any elements and move them around. To edit your section, click the Edit in the right. This opens the panel which has two options: Name, Settings and Options. Move the section up and down either using by Edit handle or by clicking on any area in the section. Here, to make a clone copy of your section, use the clone handle in the left. Or you can right-click to the Edit handle to edit, duplicate, copy, paste and delete your section. You can do the same with column. Simply right-click. If you want to add another column, simply drag and drop column from the widget area to the right or left. Do the same for widgets. Duplicate, delete, copy and paste. Easy. The whole layout is super flexible. You can easily drag any elements around. Change the column width by grabbing the edges and moving it to left or right, like this. To save your work, click the Update option. To make changes to your home header section, you can do this with two ways. First, choose the home header page from the lists of pages over here. Or you can do this by clicking on Close button. And select the home header page, to edit your home header page. As per your convenience, you can drag and drop the Sitepad widget panel to left or right. Or you can even minimize it either by clicking on this arrow, or by clicking to this minimize button to preview your changes. Also, to preview your website, click the eye icon and you are good to go. For shutting this Sitepad widget panel, click on Close button. That's it for now. In the next video, we will get familiar with some website basics. For more tutorials, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or go to sitepad.com/docs.